Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Scout. If you're someone who struggles with constant ringing in your ears, difficulty hearing conversations clearly, or just want to support your long-term ear health, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into Quietum Plus, a supplement that claims to naturally improve hearing by targeting the underlying causes of hearing loss and tinnitus. Now, I know what you're thinking. There are so many hearing supplements on the market. So, what makes Quietum Plus different? And more importantly, does it really work? That's exactly what we'll uncover in today's video. We'll go over how it works, the science behind it, its ingredients, and whether or not it's worth your investment. So stick around. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more in-depth product reviews. Hearing problems affect millions of people worldwide, and yet most people don't realize how much their auditory health impacts their daily life. It's not just about volume. Hearing issues can affect concentration, memory, and even emotional well-being. Whether it's a mild ringing in the ears or full-blown tinnitus, these problems can be incredibly frustrating. The traditional approach is usually hearing aids or prescription treatments, but they don't always address the actual problem at its core. That's where Quietum Plus comes in. This supplement isn't just about improving hearing. It's designed to protect and repair the connections between your ears and your brain. That's right. Hearing isn't just about your ears. It's a complex process that involves nerve signals traveling from your auditory system to your brain. If these pathways become weak or damaged, you start experiencing problems like tinnitus, muffled hearing, or sensitivity to certain sounds. One of the biggest reasons people struggle with hearing issues is inflammation and poor blood circulation. If the nerves responsible for processing sound aren't receiving the nutrients and oxygen they need, they start to weaken over time. That's why Quietum Plus is formulated with a mix of natural ingredients that work together to restore these functions. The supplement contains a combination of herbs, vitamins, and plant extracts that have been carefully selected for their ability to support nerve health, improve blood circulation, and provide essential antioxidants. One of the key ingredients is mucuna pruriens, a plant known for its neuroprotective properties. It helps support the nervous system, reduces oxidative stress, and can even improve cognitive function. Another powerful ingredient is maca root, which has been used for centuries to boost energy levels and improve brain health. When it comes to hearing, maca root plays a role in reducing inflammation and enhancing communication between nerve cells. Then we have epimedium and tribulus terrestris, two potent plant extracts that help regulate neuroinflammation and fight off free radical damage. These are essential for keeping your nerves and brain cells functioning at their best. One of the most interesting ingredients in Quietum Plus is donkey, a herb that has been traditionally used as a natural tonic for brain health. It enhances circulation, which is critical for keeping the auditory system well nourished. Without proper blood flow, the tiny hair cells in the ear, responsible for detecting sound, can become weak and die off. Muira puama and ginger are included for their antioxidant and nerve regeneration properties. Ginger, in particular, has been widely studied for its ability to reduce inflammation, which can contribute to tinnitus and hearing difficulties. There's also catawba powder and damiana, both of which promote healthy blood circulation and provide neuroprotective benefits. When your blood flow is optimized, your brain and auditory system receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. Other key components include ashwagandha and piperine, two well-known adaptogens that help the body manage stress, improve focus, and slow down nerve degeneration. Many people with hearing problems also struggle with stress and anxiety, so having ingredients that support overall mental well-being is a great bonus. The formula also features sarsaparilla root and asparagus, which play a role in detoxifying the nervous system and preventing cell damage. Toxins and pollutants can contribute to hearing problems over time, so having natural detoxifiers in this formula makes it even more effective. To round it all out, Quietum Plus includes essential vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B complex, and zinc. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining strong neuronal connections and supporting overall immune health. Zinc, in particular, has been linked to tinnitus relief, making it a valuable addition to this formula. Another standout feature of Quietum Plus is that it's completely natural. There are no stimulants, no GMOs, and it's gluten-free, making it a safe option for those with dietary restrictions. The fact that it's non-habit forming means you can take it consistently without worrying about dependency or side effects. But what about real user experiences? Many people who have tried Quietum Plus report noticeable improvements in their hearing, reduced ringing in the ears, and an overall clearer sense of sound. Some users have even mentioned better focus and mental clarity, which makes sense given the brain-boosting ingredients included in this supplement. To make the deal even better, Quietum Plus comes with 2 free bonuses when you order a multi-bottle package. The first is 1-minute natural tips to hear like a ninja, a guide packed with simple techniques to enhance hearing naturally. This includes easy yoga poses, dietary hacks, and other surprising tricks to support auditory health. The second bonus is how to get the best sleep of your life in just 7 days, which teaches you how to fall asleep faster, reduce snoring, and improve overall sleep quality. Since poor sleep can make tinnitus symptoms worse, this bonus is a great addition. Now, let's talk about pricing and guarantees. One of the biggest advantages of Quietum Plus is its 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you have a full 2 months to try it out, see how it works for you, and if you're not satisfied, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. This makes it a risk-free investment for anyone looking to improve their hearing naturally. If you're considering purchasing Quietum Plus, the best option is the 6-bottle package. It offers the biggest discount, comes with free shipping, and gives you a long-term supply so you can stay consistent with the supplement. Since nerve regeneration and hearing improvement take time, having a steady supply ensures you get the best results. To wrap it up, Quietum Plus is more than just a hearing supplement. It's a complete support system for ear and brain health. It combines natural ingredients backed by science to repair nerve pathways, enhance circulation, and provide long-term protection against hearing loss. Whether you're dealing with tinnitus, hearing difficulties, or simply want to protect your auditory health as you age, this supplement is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Review Scout for more detailed product breakdowns. Let me know in the comments, have you tried Quietum Plus? Or do you have any other hearing-related questions? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.